Now, to count coins, we need to use our knowledge of skip counting. So now we're going to talk about the values of coins and how we count them. Pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So each penny is worth 1 cent. So we count by ones when we count pennies. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So we count it 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. So we have 4 cents in pennies on this page. Nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. So we need to skip count by fives to figure out how much we have in nickels. So we have 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. So I'm just skip counting by fives. Dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So I have 4 dimes. So I skip count by 10 to figure out how much I have in dimes. So I have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, and 40 cents. Quarters. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So I have 4 quarters. So I need to skip count by 25 to find out how much I have in quarters. So I have 25 cent, 50 cent, 75 cent, and then $1. And after that, we have to start counting in dollars and cents. But we will not get any higher than that today. So remember, we have to use our knowledge of skip counting when we count coins that are the same.